Hey guys, today we're going to be filming the fireworks stash today, so here we go. So we got some, right here we got some mortars, double ball mortars, 1, 2. Go right in here. We got the Cake King Kolb's cannon. That's a very good one. I recommend it. Very much recommend it. We got Nightmare at Dusk. It looks like a. Oh man, this is gonna be a hard one. I have no clue how much shots it has. Does it show up here? Eight shots. It's an 8-shotter. Then we got right here the Phoenix Rising. It's a 16-shot cake. We got 2 of these Smile rockets. These are very good rockets. I recommend them. Then we got over here, right over here, we got No Guts. That's a 16 hard-hitting shots. Then we got Moonshine Mayhem. It's a very good 9-shot. Here we got Enter the Dragon. That's a nice, good, solid 16-shot. Then right under it, right here, is the Ultraviolence. That is going to be a grand finale. And that goes, I forgot to show you, with the 300 rockets. 300 rockets all the way down in there. So these 2 right here are the grand finale. The rockets and the Ultraviolence. The big one on the bottom. Then we come over here to the triple ball. These are called, well, I can't say it. It's the H-Hound. 1, 2, 3. You got 3-shot, and then you got a single bomb shot right here. Single bomb shot in there. Then we skip over to this one. This is a 4th of July in the sky. This is the best cake they have. I think it's not the biggest, but it's the best 10-shot, I think. I think it's the only 10-shot. Then we come over here to the hot dog shots. These are very loud. I mean, these are very loud. These actually hurt your ears. They can bust your eardrums. Ultraviolent, very good. This tube is like 16 pounds. It's very heavy. And then we skip to the best of the best. The best fireworks in America, the Black Widows. That's the best fireworks in America. Look at these things. Look, that's the biggest shell they sell in America. Look at these tubes. They're like 20 pounds. I already got one locked and loaded in there. In every tube so far. Well, there's these right here. And then you got right here the ones that I haven't gotten the package yet. There's silver ones. And we got some of these brown ones right here. But they're just a color change, but every single thing has a different shot in it. Those are those, and I think that's about all. I'll see you next time on Fireworks Stash.